The sneaker pickup for today is going to be. I gotta block your face a little bit.
Alright, that's cool.
I'm gonna show them first. Oh yeah, you definitely. I'm about to break your neck. You ready? I'm about to break his neck. You ready? Straight neck breakers. What?
That's just about to pull them Sean Witherspoons out.
Woo!
That's about to walk out. Ooh, I was about to walk out.
Let
me see these joints.
Neck breakers, bro.
They ain't had these in my size.
You was looking at those?
I was looking at these. By the time I got there, everything was gone, bro.
Smart man.
It was gone, bro. I feel like I can fit these on high key, bro. Let me buy these off you.
No. Can't do it. Oh, that's fire.
See, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all the ones I was looking at. I got a whole collection of just ones.
Did you go after those 14s?
What 14?
Dang.
Dang, baby, call me Stevie Wonder. What 14s?
Toros.
Nah, I forgot about it. I ain't going after no shoe. I just bought Yeezys, bro. I'm broke.
You didn't buy Yeezys. You traded shoes in. I know there's something else you want. Them things hard.
These Babel. I don't know which one's harder though. These might be hard.
Those is harder. Like, I don't know what it is, bro. That whole, I don't know, man.
Gel Diablo. That's a crazy name.
It's
I'm
cool.
not gonna lie to you, bro.
What?
My heart dropped. I really thought you was about to pull out Sean Witherspoon. Like, my shit, that shit crazy.
Look how fire this is. It's tracking your face from all the way back there.
I can't even see myself.
Scoot up.
Damn, I just got that close and I'm still far. That's crazy, bro.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Fire, fire. Just imagine if you do a reaction or whatever, it just catches everything. It just catches everything. All right, so what's poppin', everybody? Feel me? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another.
Oh, you ain't know me? Dope video. I'm sorry. I haven't been on YouTube in like over a year. I'm out of it, bro. Oh, you still waiting on me to say it?
Banger, you feel what I'm saying? Man, when it comes to the video for today, I'm joined with my guy.
I forgot everything.
Just say your name, man.
My name's Jay. Y'all didn't know.
Yes, man.
Y'all may have seen me like 5 years ago on this channel or something.
Like 5 years ago, you feel me? He was wearing them hats, you know what I'm saying? I had the fro, you feel me? But I'm joined with my guy Jay. First of all, if you guys haven't saw the goddamn Gel Diablo unboxing, go check out the Gel Diablo. Now for today's video, I definitely have a nice little pickup that I do want to show to you guys and to him too. Jay, what?
I'm nervous.
About the pickup?
For me to be in the video, I feel like you pull these out. This nigga about to pull out some Sean Witherspoons, bro.
I don't got no Sean Witherspoons, bro. I sure don't. But one thing I will say is though, check out the suede on these things. Check out the suede.
Any type of shoe is like wolf gray, especially with the what they call perforated.
Yeah, the perforated soles, man. That suede is fire, bro.
I'm gonna just hold these for a whole video, bro.
Before we even get into this video, please go ahead and check out the socials. That is the Instagram and Twitter at Chris Briggs and Chris Briggs 2. Check out that second Instagram because, you know what I'm saying, you get a quick little follow back once you're doing that. But without further ado, we're not going to need you today, buddy. We're not going to need you. Hey, Jay.
What's good?
Can you hand me the box over there?
Right here?
Yep. Another Champs bag.
What? Shoe has a red box. Hold on. Let me think. I have no idea, bro.
Listen, bro. I feel like Flight in June. Just straight up breaking necks. You want to just get into it?
Breaking necks.
Hey. Who just walks in somebody's house with some Miss Yeezys on? How much you pay for those?
$60, bro.
Don't let them know your secrets, bro. But you know what? We're gonna do a countdown. We're gonna do a countdown. You ready? I'm gonna do a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Feel me?
Careful. Wait a minute, hold on. I just snatched the box.
I just snatched the box.
This look like a 13 box, no cap. It's just red. Unless all Jordan boxes are like this. Now, you know, I haven't bought a pair of Jordans forever. But my Flints, the box looked like this. It was just great.
Listen, bro. I'm about to break everybody's neck on this thing.
tag.
First of all, shout out to the Nike Sneakers app for handing me the L on these. I really do appreciate it. You know what I mean? I love waking up in the morning, getting on the Nike Sneakers app with pure optimism, just to have my dreams crushed after waiting on the app for 40 minutes. I love it. You gotta love it, right?
I'm not gonna lie to y'all. My luck on that app has been great. Only show I didn't get was some Ben and Jerry's, but they knew I was just gonna sell them. They was like, nah, you're not an enthusiast. But I'm like the only person I know who went on the sneaker apps 20 minutes later and still caught bread 11s. 20 minutes later. I had to wait to go on break to buy them shits. I still got them.
You caught bread 11s 20 minutes later?
On the sneaker apps, no lie.
Now, the sneaker pickup for today is going to be, I gotta block your face a little bit.
Alright, that's cool.
I'm gonna show them first.
That's fucked up. I'm the man's. I can't see first?
Nope.
Wow, dude. I don't even want to see him no more.
Oof! Oof! How did I do it? I don't know. I just be doing it. Here you go. How do I do it? I don't know. I just be doing it, bro. I just be figuring it out.
Ooh. What's these?
Those are the Air Jordan 14 Toros.
My God. Oh my God, bro.
The things is crispy.
I don't know, man. What's them? See, I'm starting to forget names. What's them ones called? The ones that I messed up. You know the ones I messed up.
The black toes?
Yes. These might be the black toes.
Think so?
It might be. I don't know, man. Red on 14s just hit differently with me. Like, what's them blue joints called?
The Laneys.
Yeah, Laneys. These are better.
Yeah, these are better than the
These
Laneys.
are better than the Laneys, bro.
I can't lie. These are fire. Like, look at that, bro.
And I used to want the Laneys bad.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. The pearlized midsole with a little hit of white and that gem red upper. It's cool. It's cool.
Yo, is this your first pair of 14s?
Yeah. It's my first pair.
Nice.
I'm not gonna lie. I like the suede on the toe. I just knew that the suede on the side was gonna be like this though.
What?
Like, oh, it's not like.
This is a shoe, like warning, this is a shoe. You brush up against anything wearing these, that's a permanent scuff.
Yeah.
Like this type of material.
Yeah, that's true. You're gonna need some straight up suede protector.
Immediately.
Immediately. These things is hard. Do you have a pair of 14s?
Not anymore.
What 14s you had?
At last shots, 2012.
Oh yeah, you did.
I almost bought a pair of Laneys, but for reasons I won't say, never got. I almost got robbed. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. You high key coming from my collection, and I don't appreciate it.
I am. Be honest, am I?
Like, you probably caught like what 10 shoes in the last 2 months.
I've been going crazy. I can't even cap with you, bro.
My bank account won't even allow me to do it, bro. That will lock my card.
I've been going a little too crazy. A little too crazy.
My man trying to get a Foot Locker sponsorship.
Hey, you see under every video, new sneaker pickups from Foot Locker. I be adding them boys and everything. Foot Locker, you see me, bro. You see me putting in this work, bro. Gift your boy, you feel me?
I got a question for you though. I know we looking at these. But which ones you rocking? Which ones you going with?
Those. I'm going with the Asics.
You crazy, boy. This red.
I'm not even gonna be biased.
Valentine, call me Bobby Valentino.
Those is fire, bro. These is fire. Especially like.
That was a bar. That was a terrible bar.
Valentine, call me Bobby Valentino.
That was a terrible bar, but that was a bar.
Oof. One thing I like about this is pretty much the new buck on the toe of the shoe. Go ahead and focus for me, my buddy. I appreciate you. Thank you. Yep, I really like the new buck on the toe. I like how the new buck goes from the toe and goes all the way up to the laces too. I think that that's very cool. Also, I think that that red is a nice little color too. I would have rather liked for the nubuck on here to just be a little bit more like this over here. It would have made it a bit more premium to me.
Yeah, because this, like, just the smallest scratch.
Yeah.
It's just permanent on these, bro.
Other than that, bro, I think that this is a really dope shoe. You know, I like the midsole. I like how it's broken up with white and like a cream pearlized little midsole too.
Hold on. I want to say.
Together.
I want you to envision this.
Mm-hmm.
Your senior year of high school. Teacher comes up to you and goes, "Hey, we want you to play in the student faculty basketball game in front of the whole school, and you got these. Bro, are you hooping in these? In front of the whole school?
I am taking angles in these. I'm crossing Mr. Payne out his little Stacey Adams.
These cool, but I'm still pulling out my Concords.
If we having a student faculty basketball game, you know what shoes I'm pulling out? You know what shoes I'm pulling out?
Let me see what he got. This man gotta find shoes. That's ridiculous, bro. Yeah. Really? Wow, really? Okay.
I'll definitely.
High key, especially with our school colors, that would be wrong.
Yeah, I'll be breaking necks in the flints. Yeah, most definitely. I will be taking your ankles, or whoever's ankles, in the flints.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I didn't really know about this, but like the release on these, but these are.
Yeah, they sold out everywhere. It's gone. As I was walking out the mall, like I walked in the mall to scoop them up, and as I was walking out, I kind of had to get out because I got stopped by like 3 people. Yo, I know you're trying to sell these, bro.
That's the scariest feeling in the world.
Yeah.
Like, your guard be up, bro.
Bro, when I walk to the mall with a new pair of shoes, I hold the bag like this. You gotta scrap me to get these. I ain't gone.
I went to this shoe boutique and tried to sell some shoes yesterday, and my homie, like, it was a dude walking in the store. He was like, "Yo, what's in the box?" I was like, "This shoe." He was like, "Word, let me see." So I opened the box, and like my guard is up because he goes, "What size?" And as he's going like this, I'm like, "Yo, if this dude try to run, we right here on the staircase. I'm just gonna trip him." Like I already had everything figured out how I was about to approach this because he was like, "Are you on my shoe?
Are you by yourself?"
By myself.
Tripping.
By myself.
Tripping. So when it comes to the Air Jordan 14 Toro or Gym Reds, whatever you want to call them, how do you guys feel about these? Do you guys think that these are dope or trash? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys want that review, spam up that like button and I will get that review up for you guys as soon as possible. I appreciate you guys watching as always, man. More videos coming soon. More bang! And all I have to say is, hey, you got anything you want to say, bro?
Summer 20. This man grinds every summer. You better be tapped into this channel.
You know what I'm saying? Be tapped in, you feel me? Be tapped in. And all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. And Chris Briggs, signing out. Yeah! You beat me? Toro 14, dog. Review coming soon. Smash the like button.